jump out of your hiding place and surprise me, you win. But if I sneak up and surprise you, I win. That's why it's called hide and surprise.
OK, I'll hide first.
Ready or not, here I come to surprise you. Surprise!
Surprise! I win. OK, it's your turn to hide.
Oh, I'm going to hide all right. Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but it's hide and surprise. Remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here. Ha 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 ha.
Surprise!
Ah! He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Ha 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 ha. Diesel's undercover.
Surprise! Surprise!
Ooh, ha ha. The perfect hiding place.
Surprise!
He's not going to surprise me this time. I'm going to surprise him. Ha ha.
Chugga chugga woohoo!
Ha ha. Whoa.
Nailed it!
Surprise! Ah!
Diesel, that was great!
Surprise!
All engines go!
Hey, Thomas, you got a light bulb too?
Yeah, for the lighthouse. Is yours for the dance party at Brendam Docks?
Yep, I can't wait. Since we're going the same way. Want a race? Last one to quick draw bridge is a broken bowl.
Diesel! The lights are too breakable. We can't race! Oh, I'd better catch him and warn him. Diesel, slow down! We don't want our light bulbs to break.
Nice try, Thomas. You're just trying to trick me so you can win the race.
I don't need tricks to win against you. Ha ha ha!
Hey, no fair.
Excuse me.
Pardon me. Whoa. That was fun. Call it a tie?
Sure. See you at the dance tonight.
Can't wait. Who's ready to dance?
I am.
That's not a dance light.
It's the lighthouse light.
It is. So if we have this light...
That doesn't look right. Diesel and I must have switched bulbs. Oh, no. The ships need the lighthouse, so we can't switch the bulbs until tomorrow.
If you can't switch the light bulb, then we'll just have to switch where we have a dance party.
Now this is a party. All engines go!
Taking letters and packages down the rail. My favourite thing is to deliver the mail.
Hey, Percy, you're looking excited today.
Just one delivery left. It's a super special party balloon for Sir Topham Hatt. Look! Oh no! It's getting away! I have to get that back. Come on!
Back up! Back up, back up, back up! Go, go, go!
I have to get that back! There it is! I got it! I don't got it. Hey! Come back here! We have to get it back, or Sir Topham Hatt's party will be ruined.
Follow that seagull!
Well, hello there.
Excuse me, Cranky. Will you lift me up to those goals?
I suppose so.
Percy, you're scared of heights. What are you doing?
I have to deliver all the mail, and that means getting my balloon! Hatt, got it! Let me down!
That was amazing and brave. Okay, let's deliver this balloon. Come on, look, amigo. I've got you.
So, Topham Hatt, your special party balloon.
Oh, yes, perfect. Thank you. I'll add it to the others.
The others?
There. Lovely. Oh dear. Boys, would you mind?
Follow that, Sir Topham Hatt.
Oh, my.
Don't worry, Sir Topham Hatt.
We'll get you back to the party.
All engines, go!
Thanks for the help loading, Carly.
No problem, Cranky. Loading Bulstrode is fun. Watch this, Sandy.
Nice lift, Carly. Maybe one day it'll be as strong as Cranky.
As strong as me? I don't think so.
Oh, yeah? Well, how about this?
That's a pretty big load, Carly.
That was pretty big, Cranky. Can you top it?
Of course I can. Look at this. Take it easy now.
Wow, how are you going to beat that one, Carly?
That's nothing. How about this?
Excuse me? What's happening? Whoa!
How about this?
Oh, yeah?
Hey, Carly, do this one next. Whoa! Get me down from here.
I'll get you, Sandy.
Whoa! I'm good.
Whoa! I'm not happy about this.
Oh, no! Bulstrode!
Oh, sorry, pal. Whoa! Was that really necessary?
No, it was not. But it was amazing.
Hey, enough playing around. Let's work together. It doesn't have to be a contest.
Oh, no. Now what have we done?
I got this. Oops. That's not right.
Whoa! Well, I guess our lifting contest was a tie.
All engines go! Whoa, so big. But we can handle it.
Are you sure about that, Thomas?
We know what to do at railway crossings. Stop, look, and listen.
Hey, guys. Sorry I'm late.
Hi, Diesel. It's okay. You can bring the tractor.
What? That tiny tractor? Oh.
See you there. Okay, steady and safe. And fun. How about a game? Red light, green light. Green light.
Steady and safe. Thanks, Cranky.
Just be careful out there.
Thomas, listen. Look, near. Red light.
Duckies, don't you know it's not safe to play on the railway tracks? Now scoot.
Green light. I love this game.
Hi, ducks.
Red light.
Green light.
No, Diesel. Red light.
Nice try.
Diesel, you okay?
Never better.
Diesel, you have to pay attention at railway crossings.
When the crossing barriers are down, you have to stop.
And never try to cross when the train is coming.
Green light.
Green light. From now on, I'm going to be super safe. Huh?
Red light.
Looks like somebody left the gate open and the cows wandered onto the tracks.
Bad move.
All engines go!
Today, I'm gonna go further than I've ever gone. To the lighthouse.
The lighthouse? That's too far when the wind is this strong. You'll never make it on your own.
What? I like the wind. I can get there and back all by myself. Whoa! Whoa! This wind is so strong and gusty, I can't steer. Whoa! Maybe Cranky was right.
Hey, Skiff. Mind if I come along?
Thanks for the wind block, Bulstrode, but I really wanted to sail to the lighthouse all by myself.
You're still the one sailing. We're just cruising along next to each other.
Hey, good point. Lighthouse, here I come!
Whoa! Is that Skiff? Hey, Skiff. I've never seen you this far from the docks before.
That's because it's a new record.
Great job. Hi, Bulstrode.
Hi, Thomas. See you later, Skiff. Be careful getting home.
Don't worry. After getting here, getting home is going to be a breeze.
Oh, now slow down. I told you it was too windy to make it all the way to the lighthouse.
But he did make it there, all by himself.
Well, good job then, I guess. How'd you do it?
Well, I had a little help from Bulstrode blocking the wind for me.
Oh, I only helped a little bit.
Turns out, going alone is a lot more fun when you take somebody with you.
All engines go! Rolling round, rolling fast to Vickerstown. Oh no, ducks on the tracks. My cargo. Phew, landed shipshape. Train coming through. Sorry, but I have to get the stuff to Vickerstown. Time to waddle on, ducks. I'm in a hurry. Ducks, time to go. No. Okay then. I'm going to toot scoot you out of the way. Now scoot!
Good morning, Nia.
Oh, now I'm stopped at a red light. When that light turns green, I have to go. Now scoot! That tickles.
A red light? Great. Nia, the light is green. Stop playing with those ducks and go. Real funny. Now let me out.
Sorry, got to go.
But I need to get to Vickerstown.
I have the perfect plan.
This is your perfect plan? Yes, you're cute, but that tickles. Cut it out, okay?
All engines go! This is fun! What are we doing? Chasing a butterfly. Oh, I love butterflies. They're so delicate, but keep fluttering and flitting and flying. I know. Right now, I'm looking for a Sodor skipper. A Sodor skipper? I thought we were looking for butterflies. We are. A Sodor skipper is a really big purple butterfly.
Purple? Like me? Electric!
Not here. Over there. It's amazing.
Wow, they get scared easily.
Maybe they're just not ready for someone as fast as you.
Good point. I won't go fast. That one over there is purple!
It is a Sodor skipper. Well, it was.
Maybe she heard you coming?
I might have been too loud. Okay, so we need to be slow.
And quiet.
Look over there! Where? Slowly, slowly. Getting closer, closer. So beautiful. So perfectly purple. Look out! I guess no matter how slow or how quiet we are, we're always going to scare away the Sodor skippers.
But it sure was fun looking.
There's one on your head.
Electric.
There's rocks.
All engines go! Wow, wow!
Well, this is a fine how do you do.
Hi, Gordon. Everything okay?
No, Thomas and I are delivering ties to the bottom of the mine, but my headlight just burned out. I can't join him without it.
Oh, well, I can help you. Stick close to me. I'll light the way.
Thank you, Nia. But do be careful. This mine can be a dangerous place. Watch out, Nia. Runaway car.
Gordon, that's your car.
Yeah, my car. Oh, we have to catch it. Oh, this way.
Here.
There it is.
Whoa!
Oh, we're getting close.
Come on.
I forgot how beautiful the Crystal Cavern is.
It's incredible. Oops. Ooh.
This mine is quite spooky enough without that, Nia. Thank you very much.
Sorry, this is just a little setback. I think your car ended up over here. Whoa.
What was that?
One of the crystals. It lit up.
Whoa.
Come on. The Crystal Cavern is going to help us find your car and get out.
Bum, ba. Ding, ding, dong, ding.
Whoa.
We found my car.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Dancing. Look.
Let me try.
I think we just might dance our way to a delivery.
Oh, yeah.
All engines go!
Oh, no one on the rails today but me. Just the way I like it. Mama. What? Mama. I'm not your mama. You want something with feathers who says caca and... Mama. No. Mama. No. Mama. No. Ah! Mama. You don't give up, do you? What's your name, little guy? Mama. Okay, I'll call you Wilson. Hello, Wilson. I'm Diesel. Now we're buddies. Next up, Brendan Dodds to find your... Mama. I'm not your mama. More like a big brother. Mama! Wilson, you have to be more careful. Mama. Haha. No, more like a super strong uncle. Don't worry, Wilson. We'll find your mama here. Mama.
Hey, Diesel. Looks like you picked up a passenger.
I'm trying to find his mama. Well, I'm glad he found his mama. They grow up so quickly.
It's hard to see them leave the nest. You did a good thing. Helped him find his mama.
Yeah, I guess so. I better go pick up my delivery. Mama!
Now, she shouldn't be down here. She should be up at the duck pond.
Okay, Ducky. I'll take you home.
A mama's work is never done. Yeah, you're a cutie.
All engines go! Let's roll!
Wait! My wheel is loose.
Yeah, so loose.
Hey!
No cracks, bolts tight, no wobble.
No problem.
Come on, guys. It's a long way to Harwick.
Ah, I don't want to do this.
Think of something else.
Thomas, I think my axle is cracked.
A cracked axle is terrible.
Yeah, except the axles are fine.
Well, my boiler is leaking.
Boxcars don't have boilers.
True, but my underpins are overpinned.
That's not a thing. No more delays. Let's go.
Ah, a bolt. Thomas, your coupler is loose.
No! You've been checked and rechecked.
But it's for real this time.
Oh no! Whoa!
Oh, I blame myself.
I blame you too.
Phew. I thought you guys were pretending again that my coupler was broken.
Your coupler broke? Ugh, that's bad.
But we'll fix it. Now you, I believe, Sandy.
I told you not to pretend you were broken.
Well, you pretended your wheel was broken first.
Well, you pretended you had a leaky boiler.
Boxcars don't have boilers.
Next time, let's just go to Harwick.